Welcome to my yard. I'm Jess. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm doing something different. As you can see, my hair is not out. My hair is not out for this video because I'm doing something different. An unboxing video of my new YouTube camera. I'm not a gadget person or tech person, so I really don't know the specs. I'm just going to show you what my camera came with, and I'll drop some links down below for anybody that wants to get a camera and you're not sure what to get. Shout out to Tech Gear Talks on YouTube. I'll put their link down below. I watch like if not 10 or more of his videos before I finally decide on the camera that best suits me and what I want to use it for. So without further ado, let us get into the unboxing. A friendly user tip for you guys watching this video: watch it at 1.75 speed or 2 times the speed so you do not get frustrated with me. A Canon camera should always come with a Canon warranty barcode. This is a Canon EOS 200D, also known as the Rebel SL2. It's a beginner friendly camera and quite affordable. I also got the Canon EOS camera bag. Comes in different compartments like I show you right here. I'm not going to talk about the specs of the camera. I'm just going to show you what the package of my camera came with. Manuals on top of different languages, and for you to obviously understand how your camera works. Everything came in bubble wrap. Am I the only one that enjoys popping bubble wrap from packages? Because that is exactly what I did after this video. This is the charger. It comes with 2 options of charger head with the adapter, and before this video I'd already plugged in the battery to charge. This is the second option of my charger head I spoke about, so I'm just showing you, but I used the first one instead because it's a 3-mount option. The battery that came with my camera. This is the default lens that normally comes with cameras, the 18-55mm, and it has autofocus and manual focus. The camera strap. Now for the main spice, which is the camera itself. It comes with a flip screen, which is something I was very particular about. Now I no longer need a mirror when I'm recording to check if I'm in the middle of the frame or not. Now enjoy some elevator music as I assemble my camera. An SD card should also be part of the purchase when you are getting a camera. And also a heavy duty tripod like the one that popped up on the screen right now. Before you get your camera, just make sure you do a ton of research to make sure that is the exact type of camera you're looking for, and it is a camera that best suits you and your needs. And this is the end of the unboxing of the EOS 200D. that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy this, like, share, comment, subscribe if you want to. Bye. But that's it for this video.